this is Melissa Moodley from Premier Private Resorts. I am going to show you how to make points booking online. So once you log into your online profile, which is www.premierprivateresorts.co.za. Once you've logged in, you're going to be able to see your membership number and your points, your accommodation levy, all your documents, your previous reservations, and so forth. If you scroll down on your home page, it says book, where do you want to go? So we're going to search for a resort, which is going to be Macali's Park, and we're going to click search, which will then bring up availability. So as you see, the month of August 2020 does not have any availability, so we're going to fine tune our search for November 2020, and the number of adults is going to be 2 and the number of kids is going to be 2. And we're going to go search, and once that comes up, it'll show you Macali's Park, and you can select your unit, and there's 2 options on booking. So we're going to go select unit. So it's come up with dates. You can do a 3-night option, you can do a 4-night option, which is a midweek, a 3-night is a weekend, and a 7-night option, which is then a full week. I'm going to choose the 20th to the 27th. You can see it's highlighted. And if you scroll down on this page, you would find the options on a 1-bedroom chalet, a 3-bedroom, as you can see, sold out, a 2-bedroom is sold out. So we're going to select the option of the 1-bedroom cabana, which is suitable for 2 adults and 2 kids under the age of 12. And you can see the discounts. The point originally was 9,719. It's now going for 5,345 with a 45% discount on points. So we're going to select a unit, and that's 1 unit, which we're then going to add to the cart. These are holiday extras that you can add to your cart. If you don't want to add it, you can just skip the procedure and it'll take you directly through to your cart. So Macali's Park has been added to your cart from the 20th to the 27th of November, 1-bedroom cabana, and you can see your points, your accommodation levy for the week, and you can view it in your cart. There's your Macali's Park, the unit that you would like to book, and from this page you proceed to check out, which would then take you to your last booking screen, and if you have enough of the accommodation fee, your documents will be emailed through to you once your booking has been done. If not, it'll take you to a payment screen where you would either need to do a secure EFT, or you'll have to do a secure payment or a credit card payment. Thank you so much for listening, and we look forward to booking your next holiday.